welcome one and all. Another day with Trina again. Welcome to you all, my subscribers and all who is watching for the first time. I give you a warm welcome. If you're new on my channel, please don't leave without clicking that subscribe button, okay? And guys, I want to remind you, remember to click that notification bell so whenever I make an upload, you will be notified. Guys, as you can see, I'm not in the kitchen today, okay, because I'm not cooking. We're just gonna add a little spice to our life. As you see in the title, we're making Old Bay seasoning. Maybe you don't know what Old Bay seasoning is, but it's a popular American seasoning. It goes well when you cook seafood dishes, and you can add it to just about anything. Chicken, potatoes, you name it. Of course, you can order it online, but I'm in Germany and I cannot get it in the stores, and I choose not to go online and order it, so I'm gonna make it. Because you know what, when you're a housewife, when you're a cook, or when you're a chef, you must be creative. I must say, Germany has taught me a lot. Yes, Germany has brought a me out of me. I didn't know that I could do so much things until I live in Germany. Because what I cannot find here, I learned to make it myself. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you how to make this seasoning, this amazing seasoning. Okay, so I have my list here. Yes, I did my research, guys. I have my list here. Okay, in Old Bay season, the main ingredients are celery sauce, black pepper, crushed red pepper, flakes, and paprika and other spices. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and blend. I have a coffee grinder here. Yes, I'm gonna use it to grind my bay leaves. Yes, we need to grind some bay leaves here. About 1.5 tablespoons. Yes, that's the first thing we're gonna do. So this is what I use to grind my seasonings. A coffee grinder. Wow. Okay. Let me see if it's finished. Oh, I need to go some more. Okay, the proportion of what I'm using, guys, will be in the description below. Okay, so our bay leaves are blended. I'm just gonna put it there. And the next thing we have to blend is our mustard seed. Okay. Guys, you have to learn how to do your thing. Cannot buy all the time, right? And this seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, it's not so cheap. Okay, that is all done. And guys, the reason why I choose to make this seasoning is because my next video, I will need it. Okay, so just in case you want to make what I'm making next and you don't have it, you could just get these ingredients and put them together. Okay, so that's it. And the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and add now, I'm gonna go ahead and add some celery salt. Celery salt I have here. Yes. 3 tablespoons of celery salt. Guys, I know my measurements, okay? Yes, so I will write what I'm using in the description below, so don't worry about that. And the next thing we want to use is 1 tablespoon of half teaspoon of ground cloves. Yes, I have to blend out some ground cloves. Yeah. Okay, so I said half teaspoon of ground cloves, but this is more than half teaspoon, so I'm just gonna pour it into this and remove half teaspoon because I need some ground cloves to do something else. So yeah. Sometimes it's not so easy to get it out from the coffee grinder. Maybe I need a little brush here. Yeah. So we're gonna add the half teaspoon. Okay, so there we have it. I think I'm done with blending, so the next thing I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Red pepper flakes I have here. It's all spicy in here, guys. Yeah. And then 2 teaspoons of paprika. Yeah, paprika. 2 teaspoons of paprika. Yes, and then we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Usually, guys, Jamaicans, they don't use measurement. They just go and pour until something say stop. Yes. Okay, so there we have it. 2 teaspoons of black pepper, then 1 teaspoon of white pepper. So black and white. Okay, we're mixing it up today. All mixing. Yeah. Okay, and next we have half teaspoon of cinnamon. Where is my cinnamon? Okay, see, we have it all here. Half teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, and the next thing is 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Where is my nutmeg? Nutmeg, where are you? You're somewhere here. Hold on, guys, my nutmeg should be somewhere here. Okay, all right. I guess I leave the nutmeg in the kitchen. Okay, but let me just put in the ginger. 2 teaspoons ginger powder, and then I can go for my nutmeg. Okay guys, so I went in the kitchen and I've got my nutmeg, and we said 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, so here it is. Wow, that went over. That went over. Yeah, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. And the next thing we want to put in now is 1 teaspoon of allspice. Okay guys, I have some allspice here that I've already made. And guys, if you don't have allspice is just a mixture of I was just gonna speak German. It's a mixture of cinnamon and nutmeg and cloves. Okay, so you can make your own allspice, just a mixture of cinnamon, nutmeg and cloves, and we're adding 1 teaspoon. Here I have some that I've made. Yes, homemade. Yes. And next we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of onion powder. Okay, and next 2 teaspoons of garlic. Okay, there we have it, and that's just it guys, and we're mixing it all together. See, combining it, mix it up. Oh guys, the aroma from this seasoning, oh my, this has to be good guys. Anything you use this in, it has to be good. Look guys, wow, lovely. And you can add some salt, that's optional. Tasting it, yeah, I can taste the spices, yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt. I'm adding some salt here, salt for flavor, but it's optional guys. If you're not a person that uses salt, you can do without it. I think I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon or 3/4 teaspoon, I think. Yeah, and mix it all up. Look at it guys, look at it, lovely. Whoa, oh my, I'm wasting my season, crazy here. Yeah, nice. Taste it now. Yeah, great. So when you make your Old Bay seasoning, you need to seal it. So I have it here. Shake it up all together. Yeah, my Old Bay seasoning. Yes guys, I can go ahead and make what I'm making that requires Old Bay season. You don't have to go in the store, you don't have to go online. Make your own guys. Please like, comment and share, okay? And please don't leave without subscribing. I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your love and your support. See you in my next video. Bye.